They say welfare destroyed black families, but what if I told you it started long before welfare even existed? From the moment they were stolen from Africa, the destruction of black families was set in motion, and that destruction did not end with slavery. If you've ever seen the viral video, How Welfare Destroyed Black Families, documentary, by Black Culture Unlocked, this video is going to take it to the next level. Today, we're covering everything they left out. This is not just about welfare, this is about how slavery, black codes, Jim Crow, housing discrimination, drugs, and mass incarceration have broken down black families for generations. From government-led drug epidemics that ravaged black communities to policies that punished addiction with prison time instead of help, every step was designed to destroy, divide, and conquer. Stay with me to the end, because I'm going to show you the bigger picture, and you'll never see black history the same way again. Greetings and welcome, history seekers. I'm Carolyn A. from GettingToTheRoots.com. Here, we're all about uncovering and celebrating your unique family history. Together, we'll explore and honor the stories that define us. Let's dive in. Slavery, the original attack on black families? Let's start with slavery, the first and most brutal system of family destruction. From the very beginning, enslaved mothers, fathers, and children were separated at auctions. Imagine being a mother, watching your child ripped from your arms, knowing you might never see them again. This wasn't a one-time event. It was a daily reality for black families for over 200 years. The trauma of these separations wasn't just emotional. It was generational. That trauma didn't just disappear when slavery ended. And that's where this story begins. Black codes and the new form of slavery? After slavery, people think black families were finally free. But freedom came with a new set of chains, black codes. These laws were designed to criminalize black life. Black men were arrested for things as small as vagrancy, which just means being unemployed. If you didn't have proof of work, you could be arrested and sent right back to the plantation as a convict laborer. The family was once again divided. The fathers sent to forced labor camps, while mothers and children struggled to survive on their own. Jim Crow, wealth destruction, and housing displacement? Then came Jim Crow, and with it, one of the biggest thefts of black wealth in history. Entire black communities were built after slavery, thriving black neighborhoods like Greenwood, also known as Black Wall Street. But white mobs destroyed them in a matter of days. Tulsa, Rosewood, Wilmington, the list goes on. The result? Families lost everything, homes, businesses, and wealth that could have been passed down to future generations. But the attack on black families didn't stop there. Highways were deliberately built through black neighborhoods, displacing thousands of families and destroying black-owned businesses. It wasn't just about building roads, it was about breaking up communities and destroying generational wealth.
That's a wrap, history seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.